it's a bee! A bee got in! Well, this is a little terrifying. Temps this week got back up to like 100 degrees. That's tough. That's very tough. I thought it best to escape back up here. I feel like I picked the best spot. Hopefully they're not all taken. It's kind of right on the edge of this cliff a little bit. It feels like the perfect getaway. Whoa. Ooh, that's tough. That's very tough. Are you coming? I don't do stairs very well, you know this. How are you doing? It's getting steeper. Oh, stairs are the bane of my existence. Great. Okay, I'm coming. Come on, you can do it. Jump. I think you can do it. Can you do it? Jump. Cool. Now it's covered in dirt, Tyson. Good job. You are just moving along, Tyson. I'm just trying to keep up with you. So this was the Robber's Roost Trail. It's a very simple trail. It's a good place for rock climbers. So you're kind of like climbing up like a rock staircase for a while. And it's not like it's a long trail, but I don't do stairs very well. Sometime last year I did that hike with my dad, and back then I was like super struggling. So I'm really proud that like I'm in better shape this year, and it wasn't like that hard per se. It was a lot of fun, just a lot of stairs. Okay, so my parents camp up here all the time, and they have dropped me a pin for some public parking, public camping, wild camping spots. So I'm gonna see if I can't find those, and hopefully they're not all taken. Well, this is a little terrifying. Kind of right off the edge. Okay, I just got to camp. The sun's not setting yet. I don't think it's gonna set for another hour. I wanted to give you a quick tour around camp. The main road, well, not main road, it's kind of like a forest road, is sort of over here. And so this whole area is all available camp spots. And there I am. I think further down there's other spots, and it would probably be good for like groups and stuff. It's just me over there. Looks like there are several fire pits spread throughout. There's one, you can't tell from this angle, it's right in front of my car. There's one here, there's one over there, a little bit over here, there's another one over here. Okay, so see where I'm currently parked, there's what used to be a fire pit over here. There's a fire ban going on right now. That's all right. I do see somebody camped way down there right now, but that's not a big deal. Like, all of this is just open campsites. I feel like I picked the best spot. Ta-da! I originally was a little bit further down kind of here, but it's kind of uneven. I'm not very level at all, so that's why I decided to park further up here where it's a little bit more level. Assuming that nobody else comes, I have this whole spot to myself. It's kind of right on the edge of this cliff a little bit, which is why I sort of wanted to pull back a little. If it was like raining or super muddy, I obviously wouldn't do it. You can kind of like see over the edge a little bit. It's really, really cool. And it feels pretty good. I love it here. It feels like the perfect getaway from the Las Vegas heat. It's September. Is it September? It should be fall. Anyway, temps this week got back up to like 100 degrees, so I thought it best to escape back up here. Okay, before I start losing daylight or get attacked by these flies, I'm gonna start making dinner. So, I'm going to make instant mashed potatoes to go with my sausage. Tyson, it's okay. hot, hot. That's messy. Hello. Hi. Okay, that's just too bright. That's so bright. Oh no, the bugs are getting in. Ah, the bug got in. Oh no, it's a bee. A bee got in. A bee got in. Okay, the bee got out. Okay. Hi, Tyson. Hopefully you guys can see me like this. The bugs were becoming super unbearable. Hi, Tyson. Hi, Tyson. Do you want to take this off? Let's take that off. Okay. The bugs were becoming unbearable and it started to get dark, so I figured it's a good time to come in. I haven't put up my window covers yet because I'm just enjoying the sun setting. I think it's already set. What are you doing? What are you doing? The sky is all kinds of really super pretty colors right now. So I'm kind of just enjoying the last bits. I'm gonna relax, eat dinner, watch this sunset, watch the sky turn darker and darker. But I think I'll end the video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Thank you so much for following along on my journey. Again, mine and Tyson's, wherever he is. If you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and click the bell for notifications. Give this video a thumbs up and let me know what else you want to see. As always, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye! There's an airplane going. And you're gonna bark, right, you? There's a lot of bugs in it right now. Oh no. Ow. Oh. Dispersed camping sites? I am just struggling with words today. There's so many flies everywhere. What is going on? Shoo. Oh no. Ah. Oh, these flies. There's also a bee, I think, or a fly, a very loud bee or fly buzzing about, driving me a little bit insane. A little bit insane.